Morning, welcome back to Fuck Nuts Garage. Today we're going to be working on a 2018 Subaru Impreza positive zero emissions vehicle. Damn, that's right there. Anywho, we're going to be changing the rear wiper and the front wiper blade, so we'll show you how to get her done. 1 second. Anywho, back at you. So you want to grab this. Just kind of, squeeze that up. Pop this open. Paying particularly close attention to that. Pull the wiper blade up. Give her a flip. Slide it off. Voila. Now, take your new wiper blade. Put it down in there like that. Look at this tab. Lock her into place. Oops, sorry. Lock her into place. Pull her back. Put the wiper arm back down. Lock that back into place. Making sure to align that little tab up in there. Sorry for being so shaky, folks. And covering the camera. Excuse me, I took that off. See those two tabs there? Yeah. Make sure you lock that in. You can hear the audible click. There you go. She's all done. Make sure she's got some good tension on her. Part number. Napa Exact Fit is what I use. 6-012-B. Put right back at you. As we said, back at you. See right there? Reason for failure. I don't know how well you can see that, but folks, don't be so cheap. Change your wiper blades. You don't want this kind of scarring on your glass. It's very hard to get rid of. So, simply bring it up. Now, a little trick I learned long ago saves your windshield. Let your wiper blade cross there. So it keeps it up. Because when you undo this little tab in here, last thing you want is wiper arm coming down smacking the windshield. So, just push it back like that. Like I said, you just take that little tab and push it up right there. Slide it out. So, we will grab the other one out of the package here. That wiper blade is a 6-016-1. 1 second, please. So anyways, back at you here. We got that wiper blade off. Now, you probably didn't realize this. You take these blades, or even the small one off the back there, you trim that up, make sure there's no metal objects. You wash your car. Oh, look at that. There's a hell of a nice squeegee right there. Multi-use wiper blade. She wipes the windshield. Why wouldn't you wipe your body? I'll take you a minute there to get your mind out of the gutter and concentrate. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reinstall this wiper blade. Make sure that's up. Put that in there like that. Just, you hear that click? Now, remove that, move that, you know, like I previously said, or showed you. Make sure they're all the right length. Or to the captain side here. And for this side, 6-026-1. Once again, the vehicle we're working on, 2015 Subaru Impreza. Push that tab, slide her back. 1 second, got a customer.